What happens when four people who know very little about motorbikes decide to buy two tuk-tuks and drive them across an unfamiliar country? Well, first, you get your paperwork sorted, become the official owner of a tuk-tuk, then you get it repaired, then you practice driving, then you get it repaired, practice driving, and more than likely, you'll get it repaired a little bit more. Most people would think this is a little bit insane, but to us, it's the adventure of a lifetime. This is the road to Cusco. Good morning, tuk-tuk lovers. So stupid. Good morning, folks. Welcome back to day 2 of the road to Cusco. Today is probably going to be a little bit of a uneventful day, considering what happened yesterday. We had quite a big setback in terms of where we wanted to be at this time. So today we are going to be taking the long road, the normal road this time, from Catac all the way to a town called Huallanca. So we have about 140 kilometers-ish. We're probably only going about 30k an hour in these tuk-tuks, so we're estimating with stops, lunch, etc. Probably gonna take us about 4 or 5 hours. That is not a lot of exciting filming and a lot of driving. Either way, let's see what comes of it. Let's go. Alrighty. Okay, ready for day 2. We got the bag strapped down. Bag strapped down, old girl fixed up.
Ready to go.
Cheap instant coffee in our bellies. Inska doesn't have bread yet. What did you have for breakfast?
Banana bread.
Ooh, banana bread. The tuk-tuk breakfast of champions. Now we just gotta get some gas and we're on the road. Woo woo woo! This is our incredible lunch station with the snack box, as we call it.
What's in the box?
Wow. We got some fromage, y pan, y aguacate. Woo! And couldn't really be in a more beautiful town for lunch. Wow. So, chef special today is cucumber and cheese with some ají sauce. In the mountains. Wow. This little town here is called Pachapaqui. By the looks of it, it's a little mining town. Who knows what they mine? Probably not gold. Who knows? But it is very, very beautiful. That drive was unbelievable, absolutely stunning. Through the mountains, now we're back down in the valley. We've done probably about 2/3 of the day. So it's a late lunch, 2 o'clock. Can you do that again?
It doesn't work.
Whew, what a day. Holy moly. I guess it all works out in the end, because had we not fucked up big time yesterday and had to go back, we would have actually missed this road entirely. We got old mate backing out here now. Now I have dogs that won't shut up. This is weird how things work out sometimes. Had we not broken down on the top of that glacier, we would have entirely missed this drive today, and I think I can pretty confidently say this was the nicest road I've ever driven. It had everything, the mountains, the rivers, the valleys, the glaciers. It was unbelievable. We've now made it to this little town called Huallanca. It is a very, very cute little town. Clearly they do not get many tourists because everyone is looking at us super crazy. Overall, absolutely incredible day. I've just had a shower. I feel like $1,000,000. We're gonna go get some fried chicken and some beer. I will end this video, or this episode of The Road to Cusco, with a little montage of the town of Huallanca to give you a little idea of what it looks and feels like. See you guys in the next one.